Hello, this is Ian with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. Today we're going to be looking at the Annual Preventative Maintenance Kit for the 1730M. This kit comes with a door gasket. The door gasket should be replaced on a yearly basis. However, if you are running consecutive cycles or back-to-back, this might need to be changed more often. The kit also comes with a single Chamber Bright tablet. Chamber Bright should be used on a weekly basis. This helps keep the valve, the reservoir, and the chamber clean. The kit comes with a safety release valve. The safety release valve is located in the reservoir along with the air jet valve. The kit does come with a preventative maintenance guide. This guide will show you how to change these. If you have any questions, please give me a call, 704-966-1650, option 3 for tech support, and please like and follow. Thank you.